Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, you are so much welcome. Yeah, so guys, today I'm bringing you to my kitchen and I'm just going to cook right now. And I said, why don't we do this together? Yeah, so I'm cooking, or I'm preparing sukuma wiki and meat kidogo too, and yeah, and ugali. Yeah, so let's do this together. But if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share. So guys, let me give you a brief of to cook my meat. I'm going to cook sukuma wiki, and we're also going to cook ugali, or I don't know how you guys call any other language, but in Kenya it's called ugali. Yeah, so I'm going to boil my meat first of all, minutes, and then I'll fry it a little bit, and once it turns a little bit brown slightly, I'll put the onions, and then I give the onions a little bit of time to while in the meat, and then I'll put my tomatoes. I'll also give them time to be ready, and mix up vizuri with the meat. Yeah, and for the spices, I'm using black pepper, I'm using paprika, I'm using black pepper, paprika, I'm using Reiko, and soy sauce. Yeah, and so follow me, or keep watching this video to see how I'm going to add each and everything. Yeah, and then once we are done with meat, we are going to cook sukuma. Now for sukuma, I'm just going to steam it a little bit. I'll fry my onions a bit, and then I'll add the sukuma, only that. Yeah, and once we are done with the skuma is not taking a lot of time, or we are not going to take more time on skuma, because it's just steaming it for just a few minutes and remove it. And then the last thing we are going to prepare is ugali. Now this takes a little bit time, because you'll have to boil water. I boiled my water via the kettle, and then you'll have to now cook the ugali and then give it time to get ready, as you're all going to see in this video. Yeah, so don't uh don't don't click out, keep watching and see how I was able to cook my meat, how I was able to cook my skuma and my ugali, and trust me, it's a delicious meal. And if you are following my cooking tips, give me feedback in the comment section how yours turned out. Was it good, or it was a nah? Was it a yes or nah? Yeah, so let's continue cooking. Yeah. And this is the results. Yeah, this is my food. It's yummy, nice. Allow me come to the end of this video, and thank you so much for keeping it up here. See you in the next one.